Hello, good morning, good evening. It's May 16th, 2026, and you're taking a look at my OND Live account. The markets are closed because it's Saturday. Um, Previously, I had to come on here talking about my Sway Markets account. I blew that. I blew both of those accounts, and I don't think I'll go back to it either anyway. It's supposed to be a 500 leverage, but it definitely did not feel like a 500 leverage. Um, And hires NZDUSD, that's what it ended up doing, not what I was waiting for it to do. It went in a completely opposite direction, but it came back to the bottom of our zone. And can I see my previous things? I had some trades that I was waiting for it to happen down here. It would be lovely if it came all the way down, or if it would give me the opportunity to sell it. I would take it down to right there. I would absolutely love that. Or if it wanted to come play in the area and buy. There was a guy on here, TradingView actually. Well, it was with AUD I think he would say sell it till it's not, or buy till it's not, something like that. And anytime I trade NZDUSD, I think about him, only because it moves with AUD um short till it's not, or something like that. I don't remember. Um but it didn't work out for us. None of the other pairs worked out for us either. USD CAD ended up going up, but um I can't remember if it hit stop loss or if I broke even or something. AUD USD was actually looking nice for a buy, and then it tanked. But I wasn't here, I was working. Um and I was able to get in GBP JPY. I went in with a partial position, and then when I had leverage available, when I had margin available, I went in the other one because my NZD USD hit the stop loss. I had two trades hit the stop loss. One hit the stop loss, and I was able to open GBPJPY because it seemed like it was going to do something. And then the other one hit the stop loss for -60. And then I opened up this one with the margin I had available. This trade is up about $30 floating, even at 160 pips, which is what I talk about when I say it's I don't get the bang for my buck. NZD USD dropped 1%, and if I had even gotten a portion of that, it would have been $1.50 a pip. That's crazy. Let's see. So that's a lot more than where we're at right now with GBPJPY. But beggars can't be choosers, and I was looking for a W, and I got my W. I think what I'm going to do is, when I have the money available, I'm going to open up a Coinex account, because on Coinex I can trade gold. Um, I was doing some research on brokers I could use, being in the US, that weren't regulated. And I don't mind Bitcoin deposits or anything like that. Um, I just want to trade. And it's been a while since I've traded gold. So we'll see how that goes. It might still be a while before I get to trade gold, but if everything is moving down, then, you know, that's an easy thing to do. I would love to see this keep going down. So from right here, it might come back up, bring it back down to here. That would give me a lot of money back, if I was able to hold it that long. Even right here. Let's take it back down there. But we'll see. I just wanted to do a quick video. My not girlfriend is coming over. So I'll be too busy the rest of the night. What am I looking for this to do? I can see it. It's gonna, this breaks right here. It's been consolidating a long time. Assuming these break, it's going to keep coming down right here. And can it keep coming down from there? This is where my take profit is. So we'll see. That's $200 and the other one is 130. So 137 take profit, 200, 300, excuse me. 300. Oh, there's a gap right here. Hold up a minute. Okay, so this is the daily and there's a gap right here. I love that it lets me do that even though the market is closed. So that's 226, 360, 370, something like that. And if it keeps going from there, I can see it coming down right here, down to this area of support and resistance, which lines up with the blueberry, the 800 EMA. It's about 460, maybe 450 with swap fees. Yeah, let's put that there. Ah, do that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna see if this hits. Give me a minute. All right, so I have $22 in margin available, so I won't be able to, I'm not going to get into anything. And since I need to be working hard next week, I'm going to try not to focus on my attention on what it's doing. I have my stop losses in place just in case, and it would break even. So we'll wait for that. What I will do is I'll set an alert and we'll say that's going to say crossing down only trigger every time it does it. And add condition. Oh, it won't let me do that. Every time message alert name price is going in the right direction. All right, we're gonna have alerts. So our alert hits, great. If it comes back up, it'll come back up to right here. I don't see it going much further than that. I think it's going to consolidate. It might keep trekking down. Price could come right here. And that's just the area of support and resistance that I see. But I'd like to see it go below, something like that. But we'll see price consolidated all the whole week for longer. It's been consolidating all month. Let me see. Okay, now it's gotta be an easier way to do that. Not all month, but basically all week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Price consolidated for 10 days. Price has been in this zone since December of last year. Okay, so let's see it go down. I spend the rest of the year going down. Oh, that would be lovely. Too bad it takes so much to earn a profit that we're only making what did I say, 400? 280? Yeah, 460 with that. But that will double the account, and the more margin, the more space it creates, the more availability of funds that I have, I can look to trade other pairs. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to hang on. I need to focus on work. Summer's going up next week's my kid's last week of school. My daughter has a birthday in about 3 weeks, turning 16. Then we're going to the beach a few weeks later. So I have a lot I gotta do, and I don't have time to trade like I want to. You know what I'm saying? If I had the money available, I'd have no problem sitting here where, you know, everything was taken care of. But I gotta work right now because I have bills. I have bills and I've got my kids who depend on me. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you wanna see how it goes today and into the future. Hopefully this don't take all year, but I don't mind if it does either, as long as it keeps going down. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.